I use scrapwood for this project because I have so many rest of materials from my projects before. Measure and mark. Then cut square shape using table saw with size 135 mm. Use speed square to make center point. Then drill using drill bit 8 mm. Cut the mark using bandsaw. I put sandpaper and glue it on MDF. Then, sander HMR. Put HMR 15 mm. Measure and mark. Cut using table saw with size 135 mm. Cut again with size 40 mm. Measure and mark, and drill using drill bit 8 mm. Cut HMR with width 30 mm. Measure and mark, and drill using drill bit 8 mm. Assemble HMR cuts on main base. After the glue dry, drill and screw. I put long bolt M8. Measure and mark, and cut it. Put two nuts, install and fasten into long bolt. Then, install on the main base. I make 4 pieces jig. Cut HMR for make a frame. Measure and mark, and cut using miter saw. Give paper tape to get same size cuts. Put jig on the corner to get perfect result with angle 90 degrees. I really satisfied with the result. Very easy to make and very cheap, because it made from scrap wood.